Hi, everybody. I'm Ash Chan. I just took the Are You Close to Nature test. In my neighborhood, there is a lot of grass and many flowers in the local park. So I circled in my city. There isn't a forest or an ocean, but there are some beautiful hills. My total score is 35 points. So there is a lot of nature near me. For example, in my city, we have a very large park with many trees and plants. It is a very peaceful place to walk with my family. Are your answers the same as mine? What nature is in your city?